Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. If you are the new viewer on my channel, so don't forget to subscribe my channel and like the video. So today's video title is how to fix talkback problem in Oppo phone. So let us start our video. Firstly, you have to move up. You have to see here many app icon.
Settings.
Click on the setting icon, double click on that. Now you have to move up like that. You have to see here many options, scroll down and then click on the then you have to click on the accessibility additional setting option, click on that.
Additional setting. Schedule power.
Now click on the accessibility option,
Accessibility.
click on the talkback option.
Talk.
Talkback is already on, so off talkback, then click on the turn off option. In this way talkback is off in your mobile phone and talkback related problem is fixed on your mobile phone like that. So I hope this video helps you, so please subscribe my channel and like the video. Thank you so much for watching our video.